Well, Zhang Zhiwei is President and Chief Economist at Pinpoint Asset Management.
It's a bit surprising that the industrial profit improved quite a bit. But, it's a rather volatile number, so I wouldn't read too much into the headline. But I think if you read into the details, it's a quite interesting signs that there's a bit of a diverging trend across different sectors. So some sectors are doing very well, such as high-tech sectors, equipment-related, automobile-related sectors are doing very well. And then there are also some sectors such as commodity, mining, this kind of upstream sectors that still suffer a bit from deflation. So it's quite interesting diverging trends.
And what about private firms? To what extent have they driven this trajectory?
I think a lot of these high-tech companies are indeed driven by private companies. And last year, we also saw quite many private companies becoming very active in the, for instance, tech companies, as well as companies that in the AI-related sectors becoming quite active and performed very well in the stock market as well.
Producer deflation seems to be easing. Is that something that you're watching closely?
Yeah, I mean, this is more or less, I would say, in line with market expectation. Actually, in the second half of last year, I think the market already expected the producer price deflation in 2026 will improve on the margin. It probably will not turn positive very soon. Maybe by the end of this year, I think the market expectation is the PPI inflation number will turn positive. But the general trend of on the margin, the deflation become less severe, and this gap between CPI and PPI narrowing, I think that is already showing up in data, and this industrial profit number is just another confirmation signal.
So taking all of those numbers in, what does it tell us about the health of China's economy and prospects for growth?
I think this is a data point that certainly on the positive side that help people to strengthen this sort of outlook on PPI inflation gradually improving. I think that's a very important data points that people are watching, particularly for the manufacturing sector, for the industrial sector. And I think the data seems to be showing that this is indeed the development is very much on track, in line with market expectation, and particularly strong in some of the sectors such as high tech and equipment manufacturing sectors.